Hello everyone. Yesterday I was explaining this question, so it was disconnected in between, so I am re-explaining this. Angle ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP. I told you if ABC are in AP, A plus B plus C, sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And you know that if ABC are in AP, 2 times of B is equal to A plus C. This is the condition for AP. Sequence series I explained. So here A plus C, it will become 2B. So 2B plus B is equal to pi. So I get as 3B is equal to pi. So 3B is equal to pi means 180 degrees, and you can cancel, it is getting 60 degrees. So angle B directly it is 60 degrees. If any time they said ABC are in AP means angle will be 60 degrees. They given B by C is equal to root 3 by 2 and asking to find the value of angle A. So B can be replaced as sin B, C can be replaced as sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. And now I got angle B is 60 degrees, so I can apply here sin 60 by sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 upon sin C is equal to, I can write root 3 by 2. So root 3 will cancel out. Actually this is under root of, complete root this is. So here root 2 you get, here root 2, here you root 2 get, and you can write here I get as 1 upon 2 sin C is equal to 1 upon root 2. So root 2 will cancel root 2 times here. So sin C value will become 1 by root 2. So C value will be sin 1 by root 2 when happens 45 degree. So C value 45 degrees. B value 60 degrees. So he is asking to find angle A. Angle A is how much? So you know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. And you know that A is equal to 180 minus B, you got here, B how much? 60 degrees. And C is how much? 45 degrees. So A is equal to how much? This is 105, so 75 degrees. So this was disconnected, that's why I explained. Next question which I explained, if K is a point on the side BC of an equilateral triangle, ABC, and if angle BAC is equal to 15 degrees, then the ratio of the lengths of of AK by AB is equal to dash. See here, what is the given? K is any point on the side BC of equilateral triangle ABC is said. So look at here, I'll explain you first. This is a equilateral triangle. One equilateral triangle is there. The name is ABC is the equilateral triangle. Yeah, listen to me. ABC is the equilateral triangle. K is a point on BC is said. So K is one point on BC somewhere. And I just joined here. Now what is saying here? In equilateral triangle means each angle is how much? 60 degrees. Here also 60 degrees. Here also 60 degrees. Now angle BAC is given. Angle BAC is given 15 degrees. So this is given. Okay. What is they said? K is a point on the side of BC of an equilateral triangle ABC. And if angle BAC, one second, I will check it. Question. Angle BAK 15 degrees. BAK, this is 15 degrees. Okay, BAK is 15 degrees. Then the ratio of the lengths of AK by AB is how much? If this is 15 degrees, and what will be this angle? So 75 here, it means 105 here. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degrees. So what is asking here? AK by AB. AK by AB. Now this is AK by AB is nothing but sine rule. So AK means what? AK, this side, opposite angle. So I can write as this is as AK by sine rule if applied, AK by sine 60 divided by AB. AB is this is AB opposite of 105. So I can write as AB by sine 105 degrees. So this can be written as AK, see I can write here AK by sine 60 is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 divided by AB by, this is I can write as sine 75 degrees. This is equal to sine 75. 180, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta is what? Sine theta. So 105 can be written as 180 minus 75. So sine 75. So that I get as what here? AK divided by root 3 by 2 into, here I can write as sine 75 degrees divided by AB. Okay. So AK by, see here actually I just want to tell you that AK can be written as, that is AK by AB. So just we do one thing, AK by AB we have to find, right? AK by AB we have to find. Okay. So AK by AB value, how much you get here? Wait, I'll tell you writing process. Explain you writing process. Applying sine rule, AK by sine 60 is equal to AB by sine 105. This is a writing process. Okay, this is equal to AK is we don't know. Sine 60 is 1 by root 3 by 2, and this AB by sine 105 can be written as sine 75. And now here this is can be written as AK by AB. What you send, this is this side, this is this side. AK by AB is equal to root 3 by 2, send this side, root 3 by 2 by sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees value is what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So I can write as AK by AB is equal to, I can write this is as root 3 by 2 into sine 75 degrees value is what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, correct? Is it right? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So here this 2 cancel out. So I get as on the top root 3 into root 2 by root 3 plus 1. Rationalize on both sides. So I get as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So नीचे क्या आएगा? A plus B into A minus B, root 3 square minus 1 square. This is I get as root 3 square minus 1 square. And on the top I get as, see this I think root 3 plus 1 by root. So here, so root 2 you can take common out, root 3 you multiply, because option wise we are doing here. This is only, but here option, I'll write the options now. Root 2 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the answer they given. So I'll repeat again. K is a point on the side of BC anywhere on equilateral triangle. BAK is 15 degrees. Then is asking to find AK by AB. So this is applied here, sine rule applied. Sine rule is AK opposite angle 60. AB opposite angle 105. We can write sine rule. And just we simplified it. Sine 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So actually this is only answer, but according to the options we have to rationalize. Options are given this one, options are given like this. I'll write the options once. Options are given like this. So which option is correct? B option is right. According, that is the reason we did rationalization here. So C option, okay. C option is right. So here you have to rationalize this, root 3 plus 1 this. That's why root 2 I taken out. You may think that root 2 into root 3, root 6 you can write. But according to the option, root 2 I taken out, root 3 into root 3, 3, and root 3 into 1 is root 3. And here you got this one. According to option, we have solved. See, this is one of the most important question, and very good question this is. In a triangle ABC, if cos A cos B plus sin A sin B into sin C equal to 1, A is to B is to C equal to dash. And it is, you can mark it very important. So already I explained, in trigonometry, that is sin A sin B is greater than or equal to sin A into sin B into sin C. Because C is less than 1. C will be less than 1 range. So here sin A sin B will be product of this, sin A sin B will be greater than or equal to sin A sin B sin C. Okay. Now it is about triangle, that's why I am telling. If this is a triangle, in triangle this condition holds. If you have doubt, you can check the notes once. And if I want this condition, what is required extra here? Cos A cos B required. So add cos A cos B on both sides. So what I get here? Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is greater than or equal to sin A sin B sin C plus cos A cos B I can write. And this value it is given 1. So here this is nothing but sin of A plus B formula. And sin of A plus B or cos of A minus B, right? Sin A sin B, cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B is greater than or equal to 1. So cos value will be not equal, greater than 1. It must be equal to 1. Cos range will be 1 to minus 1. So this will be hold when this will be hold if A minus B, cos of A minus B is equal to 1. So cos of A minus B 1 when it happens, when it is cos is 0, cos 0 is 1. So A minus B is equal to how much? 0. So A is equal to how much? B. So you got angle A equal to B here. Is this angle A equal to B they given? And when this will be holds, when this will be equal, it become equal if sin C is 1. When these both will be equal, if sin C is 1, another case, if sin C is 1, then what I will get here? Sin A sin B is equal to sin A sin B I will get. Otherwise it is inequality. But when it is wholes equal, sin C equal to 1. Sin C 1 means C value is how much? If sin C is 1, then this is happens sin 90 degrees. So C value how much you got? 90 degrees. If C value 90 degrees, A and B will be how much? They both are equal means how much? 45, 45. It means this is a right angle isosceles triangle. So the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Option A is the right answer. See, any triangle you want to find the ratio, you should know angles. Okay, see here, it's a right angle triangle. They given it's a 90 degrees, 45, 45. Use the sine rule. Sine here A, this is what here C and here B. So what you get here? AB divided by 90, sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to, this is how much here? Here AC divided by sine 45. Okay, and another one is how much? BC divided by what is the opposite angle? 45. So use this, sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. This is how much? 1 by root 2. This is how much? 1. So ratio between the sides will be how much? 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Because we are multiplying with root 2, we divide by. See what happened here? AB by 1 is equal to AC by 1 by root 2. Okay. And BC by 1 by root 2. So what will be ratio? Root 2 is to 1 is to 1. You will, if you send this is, if I want to find any ratio, you can find this ratio. You can find this one ratio. This ratio you will get 1. This ratio you get root 2. Are you getting what I said? This dono combination and this 2 combination, and what is left? Another combination, AB AC, AC BC, BC AB. So this ratio you will get how much? Root 2. This ratio 1. Are you getting or not? Ratio find out करना आता है ना? Simple thing, when it is 45, 45, 90, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. If you are not getting, do one thing, here you multiply root 2, root 2, root 2. So this will become what here? 1, 1, and here it will become what? Root 2. So ratio आ गया ना? Root 2 is to 1 is to 1. Multiply root 2 here. Simple logic. Root 2, root 2, root 2. So ये cancel, ये cancel, ये cancel. ये root 2 बन गया. तो आपको सीधा आ गया ना? आपको क्या है ना? AB by something, AC by something सीधा आना है. So you got it. If you are not getting, do one thing. AB by 1 is equal to root 2 by AC, root 2 AC by 1 you get. So you have to multiply. See, that's the reason I am saying root 2. Multiply with root 2 over answer. So 1 is to 1 is to root 2. So the next concept is centroid. Centroid is denoted by G. The intersecting points of the median is called centroid. This is a triangle ABC. Let us take, this is a triangle ABC. Capital A opposite side is small a. Capital B opposite side is small b. Capital C opposite side is small c. Median means if you take the midpoint of any side and join the opposite vertex, midpoint of this side and join the opposite vertex, midpoint of a side and joining the opposite vertex, so this is called median. So the length of median is given the formula here. The intersecting point of the medians is called centroid, and this is divides in the ratio 2 is to 1 ratio. And the length of this median, AD, yeah, AD, BE, CF. Length of the median's formula is half of square root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. This concept also useful in straight lines. Straight lines you have learned na, coordinate geometry, conic section. Straight line concept also, this point is important. Okay, so you have learned there also I explained it, but it is solution of triangles related. So you have this formula, length of the medians is equal to formula half into under root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. So just you can see this one, AD means, see this, AD this one, so angle is here, so that angle is subtracting. And the rest of the angles you are getting 2 times of b square, 2 times of c square. So just remember this formula, okay. How you got, you want to know means I will explain. In 2019, directly about the median, directly formula advance में पूछा है, direct formula related. So these formulas are important. Okay, median length. So remember the formula. Proof for this. What I am doing, you proof. If you want proof, it is not necessary. If you want the proof, see, because it is not there in the board. The syllabus is over. Board syllabus is over. So if you want the proof, then only we can do it. Here A is there. This is A by 2 I can write. Okay, this is A by 2 because half this is. This is B, this is C. Right? And what is they given here? Nothing else. They not given anything here. Now let us take this triangle here. Angle, this is angle B. Use the cos B rule. What is cos B rule? Cos B is equal to cosine rule. Cos B is equal to what? Cos B is equal to what? A square. See here. A square plus C square minus B square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. This is cos B formula. Okay, cos B. If you are taking in triangle ABC, this is in triangle ABC. Okay, cos B formula in triangle ABC. Now if I take in triangle the same cos B, if I take in the triangle ABD if I take and I take cos B again, I am using the cos rule in this triangle. This length AD I have to find. Let us take the AD length is something x. So what I am going to get, cos B is equal to, I am going to get here this one x will be getting corner. So here I am getting here how much? A square means a by 2 whole square. This is opposite of this. A by 2 whole square. And because I am using for only this triangle. If I am using whole triangle, then I use A by 2 whole square plus c square minus x square divided by 2a by 2 into c. 2 gets cancelled. So here I am getting cos B is equal to how much? A by a square by 4 plus c square minus x square by ac. Now you can equalate these both. Cos B is equal to cos B. These both are equal. Equalate them. So a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac is equal to a square by 4 plus c square minus x square by ac. AC will be cancelled out. If you find x square value, that formula only you will get. Which formula is there? Na? X square, you just simplify this one. You do LCM here and simplify. So you get x value is under root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. This is the length of AD you will get. So just simplifying that you will get. I think if you want simplification, I will explain. Let me know if you want simplification. So if you simplify this, you get x is equal to 1 by 2. X square में आएगा. So square root भेजे तो क्या होगा? 1 by 2 square root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. Proof is not mandatory, but I explained how you got it this. After this you can do simply here. You want really steps you want means I'll do it. That is no problem for me, because here a square plus c square minus b square by 2 is equal to, here if I take the LCM of 4 will come down and I'll get a square plus 4c square minus 4x square I'll get, and here 2 ones are 2 twos gets cancelled, and if you multiply here you get 2a square plus 2c square minus 2b square is equal to a square plus 4c square minus 4x square I'll get. And if I send everything here, 2a square minus a square is a square, 2c square minus 4c square is how much I am going to get here, plus minus 2c square and minus 2b square is equal to minus of 4x square. Look at there, you got the answer. Got it? You take minus common, cancel out 2b square plus 2c square, a square divided by 4. So square root send this side, you are getting answer. Or hence proved. Got it? So every time proof is not mandatory. So now in center, what is in center? Intersecting points of intersecting point of all angular bisector, all internal angular bisector, internal angular bisectors. Always the interior point of the triangle. In center is always interior point. Okay, like centroid also it is always interior point. Inside आएगा. कोई भी triangle ले लो, obtuse, acute, right angle, कोई भी triangle ले लो, in center and centroid will get inside of the triangle. It is also important. In center will get inside of the triangle and centroid also will get inside of the triangle. For any triangle. So it is always inside of the triangle. Always inside of the triangle means in center is inside of triangle. And and the length of AI is to ID. The ratio of AI is to ID. is B plus C is to A. The ratio of BI is to IE is C plus A is to B. The ratio of CI is to IF is A plus B is to C. And the angular bisector formula, to find angular bisector formula, 2 area of the triangle delta by B plus C into sine A by 2. Or you can use another formula, 2BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. So this is angular bisector formula. Length of angular bisector. Length of angular bisector formula this is. So you have learned these things in straight line also. Straight line we learned different. Now what is the meaning here? You have a triangle. Triangle ABC you have. This is triangle ABC. This is, look at here once. This is a triangle ABC. Angle A. If I bisect this, means in middle it will go. Means suppose 60 degrees, then 30 divides. And this angle is 75, some whatever it may be, 60, 40, 70, anything. And it will be bisect. So these angular bisectors of the triangle meets at one point, that is called in center. Okay. So, and this point is D, you suppose. So AI is to ID. Value is how much? Look at here. AI is to ID. Means the, see here, in actually, look at here, in centroid, this is divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. But in center, not like that. Different angles, it is happen different way. The length, the ratio will be B plus C is to A. Suppose I want to find this AD, so then this side and this side. This is B, this is C, this is A, this length is A. So AI is to ID will be B plus C is to A. Okay. And angular bisector, length of angular bisector formula is, 2 times of area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle formula? Area of the triangle formula is under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is also I gave. Another one, area of the triangle is equal to half into AB into sine C, or half into AC into sine B, or half into BC into sine A. Anything you can use it. So AD is equal to 2 times of area of the triangle divided by B plus C into sine A by 2. You can use this formula or this formula, anything you can, okay. If angle is given, this formula. So AD, angular bisector, length of angular bisector is 2 times of area of the triangle divided by B plus C into sine A by 2 formula. So ABC they will give ABC, they will give angle. So they may give here this angle or any two lengths. So length of angular bisector formula is this. So another formula is 2BC by B plus C cos A by 2. If you want proof, I will explain. It's up to you. Like I explained about centroid, like median. If you want proof of this, I will explain. That's up to you. Simple proof, it is not a difficult proof. You know this area of the triangle formula. What is the area of this triangle? What is this area of this triangle? You don't know? Okay, I'll explain. Here in center will be what here? In circle means the circle which is touches all inside like this. This is what? Right? Which is touches all the edges, okay, of inside of the triangle. So we can take any triangle. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. I can use here. Half into base into height I can use here. Half into base into height you can use here. And then I can take common. You will get the answer. If you want, I will show you. Please note down this. I will show you. See here. If you want angular bisector proof, You can take a triangle, here you can take angle, and this angle is divided by here, this one a by 2, this will become a by 2, this length will be a, this length will be b, this length will be c, this is divided by a by 2. So area of triangle, suppose if I take area of triangle ABC, if I want to find area of the triangle ABC, I can write as area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ADC I can use. This area I use delta, area of the triangle, and this area is half into, you know, this angle and corresponding here angular bisector length, this is the length of angular bisector. So this length I don't know, let us take this is x, okay. So half into what I am going to get here, half into b into c, b into x sine a by 2 I will get. Either you can write AD, this is, you can write AD, you can take right, this is as AD, okay, plus area of this triangle will be become what, you know, the two sides, area of the triangle क्या होता है, product of these adjacent sides into between angle, this half of c into, this is AD sine a by 2. Look at that, you got the answer. So here is equal to you can use here, you can take common, what are the things you can take common, half and sine a by 2 you can take common. So what you got here inside, here you left b, AD, ADB, AD also common, right, which is required, AD also I can take common. So what I get here, B plus C. So B plus, send everything, this is this side, you got the answer over. So AD length, angular bisector length, AD is equal to what you get here, this is 2, right, 2 by area of the triangle, and this is sine, what I can write here, by B plus C, by B plus C into sine A by 2 is equal to AD over. That is only in a proof. So over like that. So proofs are not man center. Now let's go for next one. See here, in radius and circumradius, these are the last topic for JEE. JEE mains. For mains, this is the last topic. JEE mains. Advanced level, one more topic is left. In radius and circumradius. Now in radius I will explain. In radius, very important, delta by S. R is equal to delta by S. This is we write as delta means area of triangle ABC by S means semi-perimeter. So everyone knows this one, right? So if I want to find the in radius, this is the formula. In radius, length of in radius is equal to delta by S. This is you learned in 10th class also. So here what I want to say you here, this is the triangle and this is the in center, okay, and this is the in radius. So this you draw here this point where I touch it is D. If this is point is E and this point is F, suppose is ABC, this length is called as in radius, radius 1. So this is the radius, in radius, okay. So in radius length will be how much, delta by S. So AI, the length of AI, suppose this is I, the length of AI here to here, length of AI will be, formula is length of AI is equal to R cosec A by 2. So if I want to find the length of AI here to here, ID I got, ID means radius, this length is lambda by, del by S, and if I want to find what is the length of AI, nobody will ask you, but if the length of AI, if somebody asks, then R into cosec A by 2. A by 2 means what? This is the angular bisector. This is A by 2. Okay, in center forms from angular bisectors. So, and BI, this is not asked, anybody will not ask, but you want to know, this is R into cosec B by 2. And BI means, what is the meaning of BI? Next BI, after BI means here to here, B to here. CI means here to here. Okay, so CI is equal to what? R cosec C by 2. So this is about in radius. To find in radius, there are many formulas are there. So these are the this is most important formula which we use generally. But still, some more formulas there to find in radius. There are 4 to 5 formulas are there to find in radius. So we can, according to the questions, we can simplify which one we want to find. Okay. So I will give the rest of the formulas also here. This is the most important formula we generally use for JEE mains. And still some more formulas are there to find the in radius. So result number 2, or we can say that formula number 2. Formula number 2 is area R is equal to S minus A into tan A by 2. I can use this. Otherwise, S minus B into I can use any formula, any of this. S minus A into tan A by 2, S minus B into tan B by 2, tan B by 2. Okay, or S minus C by tan C by 2. I can use any of this. So this is second formula, means S minus, I can use in radius, this is the formula. Or you can use another formula is S minus C into tan C by 2. Mostly we will use this one. If not work this one, then we will go for this one. Most of the cases, these both formulas is useful. But JEE means this is used most of the cases. Some rare times may be used this one also. So in radius to find, another formula is S minus A into tan A by 2, S minus B into tan B by 2, S minus C into tan C by 2. See here, I already informed you, JEE means rarely ask this in this chapter. See here, in trigonometry, whole in 2020, only one question asked. In January shift, all 8 papers, in solution of triangle, only one question came. 8 papers in that one question. So like that, so this topic will get less chances because ratio of, in trigonometry, ratios, identities are there, trigonometric equations are there. Based on that, they are asking more. On solution of triangles, advanced they are asking questions. But mains point of view, out of 8 question paper, only one question paper you will find. But for Maharashtra CET, for MSET, BSET, BITSAT, for these you have to prepare once. That is still yesterday if you prepare enough. So okay, this is result number 2. Understood? One more formula also there. If you want to find in center, circumradius, I will say later. First we will discuss all in center formulas. Another formula also there, in center to find, in radius, sorry. In radius to find, another formula also there, that is R is equal to A into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2 divided by cos A by 2. This is another formula. You can use another formula also, B into sin C by 2 sin A by 2 divided by cos B by 2. You can also write as C into sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 divided by cos C by 2. You can use any of these 3 formulas. Either this one, this is one formula, this is that, all are separate formulas. But most of the use is this one, next is this. That is rarely used formula. Another formula also there, that is the last formula, and which is, this is also most important, which is related to relationship between capital R and small r, means circumradius and circumcenter. So it is circumradius related, means R is equal to 4R, capital R, sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. This is also most of the times, means you remember this one and this one, most of the cases in JEE Advanced they are using. JEE means they use this one. So these are the 2 more formulas you need to understand. These are the whole formulas of in radius. If you want to find in radius, you can use these many formulas. See the question which is suitable, you can apply that. क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं, यहाँ एंगल दिया है नहीं दिया, सो एंगल दिया a/2, चलो इसको अप्लाई करो. इफ दे गिवन कैपिटल R मीन्स सर्कम रेडियस दिया है, एंगल दिया है. इफ दे गिवन सर्कम रेडियस एंड एंगल, देन यूज दिस फार्मूला. इफ दे गिवन सर्कम रेडियस वन एंगल, then use this formula. Angles are given, circumradius given, use this formula. Only angle is given, angular bisector is given, and then small radius is given. That time no. Only one angle is given and the length of the side is given. So use this formula. However, you will get any of the formulas you can use. S related used in question, S related is there means use this formula. If another way, you can use this one. If S is there, lambda. If most try to use this formula if it is getting. If not getting, then you go for this. Circumradius means go for this. Okay. These are the in radius formulas. Okay. These are all in radius formulas. I'll do one problem based on this.